In today's video, we're going to talk about green tea and its health benefits. Now, green tea is one of the most healthiest beverages other than water, and most widely consumed beverage other than water, with amazing health benefits. So let's get right into this. Here's a little introduction to green tea. Okay, green tea is particularly rich in health-promoting flavonoids, which account for 30% of the dry weight of a leaf, including catechins and their derivatives. The most abundant catechin in green tea is EGCG, which is thought to play a pivotal role in the green tea's anti-cancer and antioxidant effects. Catechins should be considered right alongside of the better-known antioxidants like vitamin E and C as potent free radical scavengers and health supportive for this reason. Most of the research showing health benefits of green tea is based on the amount of green tea typically consumed in Asian countries, about 3 cups per day, which would provide 240 to 320 milligrams of polyphenols. Just 1 cup of green tea supplies 20 to 35 milligrams of EGCG, which has the highest antioxidant activity of all the green tea catechins. The health benefits of green tea have been exclusively researched, and as the scientific community's awareness of its potential benefits has increased, so have the number of new studies. As of November 2004, the PubMed database contained more than 1,000 studies on green tea, with more than 400 published in 2004. Following is a brief summary of some of the high points of this most current research. Green tea drinkers appear to have a lower risk for a wide range of diseases, from simple bacterial or viral infections to chronic degenerative conditions, including cardiovascular disease, cancer, stroke, periodontal disease, and osteoporosis. The latest studies provide a deeper understanding of the ways in which green tea protects against death from all causes, especially cardiovascular disease. It protects against coronary artery disease. It inhibits arteriosclerosis. And it has special benefits for persons with high triglycerides. It thins the blood and helps prevent blood clots. It protects the heart in patients with acute cardiovascular disease. It minimizes damage and speeds recovery after a heart attack. It minimizes damage to the brain after a stroke. Okay, it lowers blood pressure and helps prevent hypertension, and a lot of people have high blood pressure. And a study published in the July 2004 issue of the Archives of Internal Medicine found that among persons consuming tea regularly for at least 1 year, the risk of developing high blood pressure was 4 to 6% lower among those who drank a half a cup to 2.5 cups per day, and 65% less among those consuming more than 2.5 cups per day. It helps prevent the development of arteriosclerosis and cancer, protects against cancer. It protects against prostate cancer. Green tea polyphenols halt prostate cancer at multiple levels. Helps protect against ovarian cancer. Helps prevent brain tumors in children. Green tea's ability to inhibit telomerase may also translate into help for children with the most common malignant brain tumor of childhood, primitive neuroectodermal tumors. Telomerase's activity allows cancer cells to avoid the normal limits on the number of times a cell can replace before it self-destructs. And supposedly the EGCG in green tea helps prevent these tumors, helps prevent colorectal cancer. It says regular green tea drinking cuts colorectal cancer risk in half. Helps prevent gallstones and biliary tract cancers, helps protect against lung cancer, helps protect against bladder cancer, improves the efficacy of cancer drugs while lessening their negative side effects, improves insulin sensitivity in type 2 diabetes, protects against kidney disease, builds bone. Says green tea provides bone benefits similar to calcium or exercise. Prevents osteoporosis and periodontal disease. There's another benefit of green tea consumption for those with periodontal disease. Green tea short circuits the damaging effect of the bacteria most responsible for gum disease. protects the liver from alcohol and other harmful chemicals, promotes fat loss, increases exercise endurance, protects against cognitive decline, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease. Green tea helps keep elders mentally sharp. It does this multiple different ways. It helps fight the flu. And if you take green tea with pepper, it'll increase the EGCG availability. It says an animal study suggests that consuming the spice black pepper when drinking green tea can significantly increase the amount of EGCG absorbed. In this study, rats and mice given green tea along with piperin, a bioactive component in black pepper, absorbed 130% more EGCG than control animals receiving EGCG alone. So that's really awesome. Like if you have, black pepper on your brown rice or, on your vegetables or, whatever you like to season your food with, sprinkle a little black pepper on there and have a cup of green tea along with it, and you'll actually increase your EGCG. And this is a organic green tea. And as you can see, it's very dark, has a very nice, pleasant, distinct taste. And I try to drink 5 or more cups of green tea a day, sometimes 10 cups a day. In fact, there was a study showing that if you drink 10 cups of green tea a day, you can, they say, add like 7 more years or something onto your life. It increases your longevity, basically, the more green tea you drink. Anything more than 10 cups, I doubt you'll get extra benefits. And drinking green tea is not going to dehydrate you. And also, for the caffeine in green tea, there's another chemical present, or amino acid in green tea, called L-theanine. And L-theanine helps to promote the, I believe it's the alpha waves in your brain, which helps promote relaxation, and it helps fight against stress, anxiety. Like, you can buy a supplement of L-theanine and it will really help with stress, anxiety, helps promote better sleep. It's just really, really good stuff. And while green tea is actually one of the few beverages or foods that contain this really amazing amino acid, and this actually helps basically balance out the effects of the caffeine. So although green tea has a small amount of caffeine, because of the other substances in the green tea, you aren't going to get, this jitteriness or anything like that. I sleep just fine, and it's really good for you. So I highly recommend green tea as a beverage. It's wonderful. It'll help you get more hydrated. It tastes delicious, and I highly recommend it. If you want to learn more about the benefits of green tea, just go down in the description box below and you can read all about this, all the different studies, or you can go to PubMed. There's thousands and thousands of studies and clinical evidence showing the benefits of green tea. So you can't go wrong. It's widely available. I always choose organic. And making it yourself too with just the fresh green tea leaves is really good as well, where you can get all those green tea varieties on like Mountain Rose Herbs. So there's many different places you can get your green tea from, but at the end of the day, I give green tea like as many thumbs up as I can, and I give it the highest rating because there's so much research that's been done with green tea, and it's so healthy for you. So I highly recommend green tea. And one other thing I wanted to mention about green tea is the fact that green tea also helps prevent collagenase. And collagenase basically breaks down the collagen in your skin. And it's been shown that by drinking green tea, you actually prevent that process from happening. So you actually maintain a healthier, younger looking skin for a lot longer. So if you're looking into like anti-aging or keeping your skin youthful and beautiful, you may want to incorporate at least 4 or 5 cups of green tea a day to help inhibit this collagenase process, while at the same time including foods that are going to help build up collagen, like MSM supplementation, vitamin C, blueberries, and things like that. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, favorite, and subscribe. Bye guys.